don't hit me. Stop.
Can I hit you?
No. These two got hooligans over here. A what?
I found a rainbow.
Can you come show it to me? Incredible. It's gorgeous.
Yep.
Who's the best climber out of you?
I am.
Hudson is.
Yeah, Hudson's I was the first one to make it up to the top. I was the third, he was the second. Yeah, but I was the first to make it to the top.
We are weak and like alone as humans, like we're always gonna be imperfect and there's not much we can do to like show our strength, but like with God, he like fills in all the gaps. He uses our weaknesses to make us stronger.
We are weak, but God is strong.
We have faith in God because he loves us.
The real power comes from Jesus.
One thing I want my campers to take home is that they are so special and so loved, and that the Lord truly does come by their side and give them strength when they are weak, and he is there for them in their struggles